Hey Dr. Cole, my name is Zach, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, now why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I've found by giving people a 3-step blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and asking me to help them out as well. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business gain new clients, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take these few steps and apply them for yourself and Cole Chiropractic, I'm fine with that too. I really just enjoy being able to help people out and help out some small businesses. So now let me show you these 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. So the first thing I want to go over is content. And what I mean by content is we come to your home page and anything I can come down through here and highlight is what Google considers as content. So you see this video is considered content, so on and so forth. Now Google likes to see you have at least 1,500 words of content on your home page that is dense in keywords that pertain to your industry. Well, I'm going to go to this SEO Quake, which analyzes your website, and it's showing you're only running 238 words on your home page. And we're going to go to this other tool that I have called Ahref, some of your keywords as well as your traffic. So you got 90 organic keywords, but the keywords that you should be ranking for aren't on your top priority list. So your top priority should be Corpus Christi, or Chiropractor Corpus Christi, Texas. And right now, you've only got it as 5th. And it's only bringing you 1 person a month on your website traffic. However, we'll take a look at some of the competition, and just to kind of back up a little bit, I'll show you. So I searched Chiropractor Corpus Christi, Texas, and the first person to pop up was the Joint Chiropractic, both in the Google Map Pack and organically. Well, right now what we're referring to is the organic traffic. So they're number 1 right here, and I'll show you why. So we'll take a look at their website first. So you can see they got a lot more content here. They're probably closer to that 1,500 word mark. And then looking at their keywords. So boom, right there, Chiropractor Corpus Christi, Texas, Chiropractor Corpus Christi. Those are the 2 highest priority words that they have, and it's bringing them 78 for this keyword a month and 52 people for this keyword per month. And that's going to give them a total of 335 organic traffic per month compared to what y'all are pulling in, which was 23 organic traffic. So you can see there's a lot left on the table for you to get a hold of. We just need to kind of reconfigure your keywords and kind of dress up your homepage a little bit with some more content. That being said, the second thing I want to go talk about are going to be citations and the Google Map Pack. So this is the Google Map Pack that I was referring to earlier. And the way that the Joint Chiropractic is able to get to the top is through these citations I was talking about, and not only that, but high quality citations. So I did a search for all the citations between your company and theirs. So you have more citations, but this is probably going to go back to the fact that they have more of the popular keywords that are ranking right now, such as Corpus Christi, Texas Chiropractor, and Chiropractor Corpus Christi, Texas. That's really going to affect how many people are driven to their site with the citations, and that's really going to affect how relevant they are. And that's why they're pulling this number 1 spot right here. So if we reconfigure your site, you should be able to get to that number 1 spot since you have more citations than they do. But that being said, I want to go to the third thing I want to talk about today, and that is going to be backlinks. And essentially what a backlink is where website A is pointing to website B and telling Google that website B has all the authority. So the more backlinks and referring domains that you have showing this authority, the more likely you are to be ranked number 1 organic, just like the Joint is. So we'll take a look. So you have 111 backlinks, but only 21 domains, and this ratio really needs to be 1 to 1. So this is something that you need to work on right here as a whole, because whenever you have more backlinks and domains, Google kind of starts to consider that as spam with those backlinks, and they dock you for that and kind of drive you down further to the bottom of the listing. Now looking at the Joint, they're closer to that 1 to 1 ratio, and this probably has a lot to do with them being a bigger organization that has more locations, so they're getting higher quality backlinks and more domains, which you can do yourself too. It just takes some time and effort. But that being said, I just kind of want to tap on the 3 things that we talked about today. That was your content, having 1,500 words with good keywords inside of that content. Number 2 were your citations and the Google Map Pack. So we want to get to about 200 to 300 citations after we reconfigure your keywords so you're more relevant in the area. And then number 3 were those backlinks that we talked about. So we want to get your ratio a little bit better to where you have nearly that 1-to-1 ratio of domains to backlinks. With that being said, if you like what you heard today, just feel free to reach out to me at 903-715-7876. Again, my name is Zach. I just really like to sit down and talk to you about your business goals and kind of how I could help you meet those goals through what I do. So once again, I appreciate your time and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Bye.